Okay, we are rolling with our patient Legend. How you doing, Mr. Legend? Got something on your right leg here. How long have you had it?
Oh, probably about 6 or 7 years.
Yeah. Okay. Has it ever changed, or does it just kind of bother you that it's there?
No, it's been slowly getting bigger and bigger.
Okay. So I think that it's small enough where we can use a punch biopsy and just remove it, put a stitch in, and be done. Okay. We will go ahead and send it to the pathologist to make sure it's not anything important. I don't think it is. It just looks like a little mole. Should be just fine. Okay. You're okay if we video this for our friends on YouTube?
Yeah, that's fine.
Oh, awesome. Well, thank you. We're going to punch biopsy it right off, put it in a jar, and send it off to the pathologist to make sure it's not anything serious. All right. Thank you, ma'am. So we're both not going to be here tomorrow.
And
That's
I wasn't
pretty
here
exciting.
yesterday.
Oh, that's right. Yeah. You missed too many days this week.
Yeah, it happens sometimes. Or you say I missed too many days this week.
Well, it could be said. Can I get an alcohol? I'm sorry, 4x4. It could be said that you may have missed too many days, but we're going to deal with it. Are you ready, Mr. Legend?
Sure.
You're going to feel a little cold spray, then you're going to feel a stick sting and a burn. Did you want to say it, Gummy Jean? I'm
No,
sorry.
it's okay. You got it.
Little sting, did you feel it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Thank you, ma'am. That should actually work almost immediately. If not, you'll feel some excruciating pain in a moment. Okay, got a smile out of him anyway. That's good.
Wait.
Punch biopsy. And scissors. And forceps. But I can use that little needle driver. There's our scissors. Okay, don't move, whatever you do. Yeah, I can use the driver too. Okay, here we go. Let's make sure that we can cover here. We do, we're covering just fine. You feeling anything? You should just feel a little pressure. That's all you should feel from this. Good. Thank you, ma'am. And now I will grab onto it. Right there. Well, not locking.
No.
Didn't want to lock. That's okay. And we just get underneath it and snip it out. Feeling anything?
No.
Good.
It's like,
We've got a little one in here watching. Hopefully not watching too closely,
I
Mom.
can't see.
No.
Good. Okay, here we go. Oh, we put
Here.
it in there. Put it right in there. There we go. Send that out. Well, you got a hole in your leg now. What used to be a bump is now a hole.
All right.
All right, a little suture, please, ma'am. Okay. Thank you.
I'm gonna be able to drive home.
Depends. Could you drive before you got here? I'm not going to fall victim for that old trick.
I don't know
are you
if
able
my
to
leg's
fold
done.
clothes?
Yeah.
And wash dishes?
Right?
Your legs done?
Yeah.
Just that spot.
You can still feel your toes, can't you?
Yeah.
I think
Okay.
you're being told the answer to your question, which is yes, you
It's a
can
little
drive.
dramatic.
Thank you, being a little dramatic.
That's my boy.
We'll see you back in a week. Just keep it clean and dry. Don't do anything else to it, okay? And we'll take the stitch out. And as soon as we get the pathology report back, we'll call you. If you don't hear from us before a week, then when you get back, we'll let you know what we have then. All right?
Okay.
But everything went well. You did great. Thanks.
All right. Thank you.
Looking for a great way to cut weight and look great? Well, it's time to check out Finergy. Available exclusively from Amazon, Finergy is America's top weight loss supplement. This elite fat-burning formula turns your body into a calorie-burning furnace, helping you target unwanted belly fat, love handles, and cellulite. Act now and start burning fat immediately. Coupled with diet and exercise, Finergy is the fastest, best way to meet your weight loss goals.
You don't get to rehearse.
Do I say my name?
No?
Okay.
So tell us about your experience with Meta 7.
Hey, it's been great. Lots more energy. I was kind of in a slump and I wasn't working out, and I started the Meta 7. And I'm working out. I've got more energy. I don't want to nap or get that slump during like 2 o'clock in the afternoon. I just go all day. It makes me feel great. I love it. And take it. It's wonderful stuff.
Wonderful. Do you feel jittery and shaky, any of that kind of experience
Not
with it?
at all. Not at
Feel
all.
natural.
Yes. Yes.
Terrific. Thanks for sharing.
Sure.